Hello dear students, today I am going to start introduction of economics, that is the first chapter of your economics subject. And first of all I define what is economics. According to the economics, it is clarification of into four part, that is the first wealth oriented, second is welfare oriented, second is scarcity oriented, and fourth is growth oriented. So I first explain wealth oriented definition. According to Walker, economics is that body of knowledge which relates to wealth. So, that is a part of your introduction in economics. So, according to Walker, he said economic is that body of knowledge which relates to wealth. It means in economics we study only on wealth related subjects और wealth. तो हम wealth को मनी भी कहते हैं. तो होल हम जो मनी से रिलेटेड जो भी इंफॉर्मेशंस हैं, जो भी नॉलेज है, हम इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़ते हैं. देन सेकंड इज अकॉर्डिंग टू एडम स्मिथ, दैट इज़ अ वेरी फेमस economics and what is prominent economics in economic subject. So he said economics is a science of wealth. So we know science is, we also call science is like a logical subject. So according to his study, he said economics is a science of wealth. It means we all it's related, we studies all about related to wealth, or it's related to money. So it is a economics is a science of wealth, because we only study about money only. So second clarification is welfare oriented definition. Welfare, आप सबको पता है what is the welfare. So wealth is simply a means of attaining the objective. The real objective is human welfare. So in welfare oriented definition, the economists, the famous and different economists emphasize only human welfare, not a wealth. So wealth is simply a means of attaining the object. They said कि wealth is simply a means of attaining the object, means wealth is only need for only fulfill our needs and daily needs and all necessities, but the real objectives of economics is only a human welfare. तो जो भी हम स्टडी करते हैं, तो इसमें वेलफेयर ओरिएंटेड डेफिनेशन में हम सिर्फ ह्यूमन वेलफेयर की स्टडीज़ करते हैं, ना कि हम वेल्थ की, क्योंकि वेल्थ का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है जो भी हमारी डेली नेसेसिटीज़ है, रेगुलर नेसेसिटीज़ है, हम उसको फुलफिल कर सकें. देन थर्ड क्लैरिफिकेशन इज स्कार्सिटी ओरिएंटेड डेफिनेशन. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू रॉबिन्स, इकोनॉमिक्स इज अ साइंस दैट स्टडीज human behavior as a relationship between ants and scarce means which have alternate uses. So scarce means, scarcity means कमी. तो इकोनॉमिक्स को हम कमी से भी हम उसको डिफाइन करते हैं कि हम इकोनॉमिक्स को हम किसी चीज़ का, किसी रिसोर्स का कम होना, उसको भी हम इकोनॉमिक्स में इंक्लूड करते हैं. सो मिस्टर रॉबिन्स कहते हैं कि इकोनॉमिक्स इज अ साइंस दैट स्टडीज ह्यूमन बिहेवियर एज अ रिलेशनशिप. सो इकोनॉमिक्स इज अ साइंस, ऐसी साइंस है जो स्टडीज़ करता है ह्यूमन बिहेवियर, जो भी ह्यूमन बिहेवियर है, जो भी इसके नीड्स हैं, उसकी स्टडीज़ करता है एज रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन एंड्स. ह्यूमन बिहेवियर्स का, ह्यूमन एटीट्यूड्स का स्टडीज़ करते हैं एज अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन किस के बीच में, एंड्स एंड स्कार्स. एंड्स मीन्स कि हमारी कौन से बेसिक नीड्स हैं, और उस जो भी हम बेसिक नीड्स की जो हम रिसोर्सेज यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसकी कितनी कमी है. सो इट मीन्स विच हैव ऑल्टरनेटिव यूजेस. इफ़ वी हैव scarce of a particular commodities, so we have other options to use substitute product, like we all watch television, and we watch different advertisement, and nowadays different products, different kinds of products uh, advertising on TV, and that has a different brands and different companies. So we have only not one option, we have other or more alternative option to use to use particular commodities. So in example, that is the best example according to your health. You like to eat different kinds of biscuits, like you like to eat Parle G, you like to eat Good Day. But if in market you don't have buy this biscuits, so we have different more companies biscuits available in market, and we have to use in same time, and we can to use in same time. So last clarification is growth oriented definition. According to Samuelson, economics is the study of how man and society choose, with or without the use of money, to employ scarce productive resources. In growth oriented means it's related to related to growth of a particular person, or it's related also is a related to growth of a country. In growth oriented definitions, in according to Samuelson, he emphasize how man or how society choose with and without use of money to employ scarce productive resources. So we have a option. if you use scarce resources means आप जो भी जो कमी वाले जो प्रोडक्शन रिसोर्सेज हैं, आप उसको कैसे यूज़ करते हैं? आप उसे पैसे में यूज़ करते हैं, पैसे से यूज़ करते हैं, या आप उसे विदाउट मनी के यूज़ करते हैं. सो विच कुड हैव ऑल्टरनेटिव यूजेस टू प्रोड्यूस वेरियस कमोडिटीज़. सो if you have a particular production have a scarce in a marketing, so you have an option to use alternative product in various commodities. I just explained with one example, like different kind of advertisement we watch on TV, and we have choose according to our pocket, as well according to our money. So in nowadays in market we have different kinds of product available in market according to your choice, as well as according to your money. So over time and distribute them for consumption new and in future among various people and group of society. So in growth oriented definition, we only emphasize if we have scarcity of a particular commodity. So if we have a different choice to choose alternative production, so in a particular time. So it is a main motive of this growth oriented definition is at that same time we consume a particular commodity in the same time, as well as in future also we use these product for customers. So in this four clarification of economics, we only study about economics, what is the economics, and what is the importance of economics in a country as well as in a particular person. So it is very important, and I think it is also very easy. You just read once or twice, and write down also on your notebook. Thank you.